Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this. That's it. These are fruit bars I got, and it's actually kind of neat. It comes in this nice fancy box, but let's look at this here. As you can see, actually, I have to open this up. The nutrient is nowhere to be seen, but I'm going to open this up now. Alright, so as you can see, let's open this up here. This is what they look like. These are nice, neat fruit bars. It's different than a fruit leather, apparently. I saw some pictures before I bought this, but got a whole box of these. This one is apple and pony blueberries. That's pretty cool. So that's all they use is blueberries and see it? Apples and blueberries. No other ingredients in this whatsoever. So let's open this up. I'll do a quick taste test with the blueberry one now. Okay, so there we go. That's what it looks like. Let's do a quick taste test. Wow, it's actually really good. So it tastes different than those sun-ripe fruit leathers. Don't get me wrong, it is sort of like a fruit leather, but the fruit is way softer, and it's got a lot of flavor. Surprisingly, it does taste like apples. You get a hint of the blueberries. Like you can see the seeds in there, so it's actually pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. And if you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.